Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephanie, and for today's video, we are going to be unboxing Jane's Agenda's February Deluxe Sub Box. So I'm super excited. It is that time of the month again. So here we are. I love the box. It is just so pretty. So let's go ahead and take everything out. All right, so here we go. And let's dive right into this. I am not the best or the most patient person when it comes to opening anything, so let's just get rid of this. And so we have the little journaling card here, which also doubles as a tour box, so we know everything that's included in this sub box. So let's go ahead and put that off to the side so I can go ahead and reference it. And then, oh, they're actually having a warehouse sale. So February 9th through the 12th. So make sure that you guys check them out and see what goodies are on the website. So that's pretty neat. And let's see, we have so many goodies in here. Let's start with this one. It looks like it's a little pencil pouch. Oh, I love how neutral it is, like that bone color. It's very pretty. And this is vegan leather. And it does have like champagne accents. So it's very spacious. Yeah, it feels really nice and cute, right? That way you can just slip it in your bag and it's ready to go on the go. So I love that. And then let's see, let's open this little package. So it looks like there's a corner pocket. Okay, so yeah, this one would go on the inside of your planner. That way you have like extra storage on there. So let's just open it up really quick. I mean, if I can get it, it's on there tight. So yeah, it's just a simple little corner pocket. You just add it to the inside of your planner, the cover, or like any heavy duty dashboard as well. So it is in the size large. So I love that. I've used pockets like that before and they work amazing. So then let's see, we have little journaling cards. Be you bravely. And I like how nice and simple these are. I am going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. Such a motivational quote. And then we have a little friction pen in the 0.05 mm. And it is navy blue ink. So I wish it would have been black, but it is blue, and as you know, these are erasable. So I don't use these in my planner, but I do use them for other things that I may want to erase. Like sometimes I'm like planning out my Instagram grid, so I'll use this one so I can move things around, erase anything that I need to, and move it accordingly. So I do love these pens, and I'm actually excited to use it in the blue one. I am all about my black pens, but for things that don't need to necessarily go in my planner, I don't mind using colored pens. So this is going to be amazing. So again, it is in the 0.05 mm. And then we do have 2 circle paper clips, and we get 2 of these, and they are rose gold. Thought I grabbed them. Okay, here we go. So look, let's see how it looks here. And these little journaling cards. Oh wow, they're heavy duty too. So there's one way. I like the circle, and then we could maybe also use it this way. So yeah, they look really pretty, nice and simple, and I love that they're rose gold as well. I think I prefer rose gold over your traditional yellow gold. So then we have Notations journal, and it's in the travel size. So 3.75 inches by 6.75. We get 50 sheets, and it is 100 GSM. Oh, wow. Let's take a look at this one. Oh yeah, I love the color of this one. And again, with the rose gold, that is really pretty. Is there any good way to just kind of get this off? maybe here at the top. I'm trying to be very careful when opening things. I don't want to be too much of a savage. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, look at how good this feels. And then, oh, it is dot grid. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. And it does have that premium vegan leather. And like I said, the rose gold color. Yeah, this is really pretty. Oh, this is like the perfect size to also just take like on the go, right? So you got your little journal and your little pen pouch. How perfect is this? I like that. Okay, so then we also have a page finder. And this one is vintage French newspaper. Oh, I love this. I love how neutral it is. Very cute. And then let's look at these. So these are like habit trackers. So you would write your habit here and then check them off. And so this is exactly how it would lay on your planner. And we get one. Oh, they are double-sided as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this is going to be perfect. I love a good habit tracker. And look at how simple everything is from their shop. That's why I love Jane's Agenda. Okay, so let's dive into these dashboards. Where is it? Right here. Oh yeah, look at how beautiful this is. Like stacked like this. A new era of me, February 2023. And it is translucent, so it's in the vellum. And then we have this here and this one. They are just gorgeous. I love this one, this painting one. It is very pretty. And they are double-sided as well. And look, everything is just so pretty. So yeah, we can layer this one here or this here. That is what I love about Jane's Agenda. You can just layer and layer and layer. So let me get rid of this. And then let's look at this one. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here I didn't realize. I thought we were almost done. But the goodies keep on coming. Okay, so then we have more double. Oh, these would be like covers, right? Because we get 2 of them. So we have this print here. And then we also have this print. Wow, they are both absolutely stunning. I always like layering these with like the laminated cover that we get. Oh my gosh, look at how simple this is. Let's get into it. These are such durable covers. So it does have white ink, so that looks very pretty, and it's that delicate floral line drawing. So I like to layer like this cover with these covers. Oh no. Well, it would look like that if we're going to flip them. So that would be the inside and then the back. So doesn't this look so pretty? Wow. I am super amazed. Always. I am always blown away by everything from Jane's Agenda. So I love the planner cover. I love the dashboards. And then let's see. Let's get into this 3-month self-care insert. Wow. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Okay, so self-care insert. So we got 3 months or 15 weeks. I am strong. So it's Monday to Sunday. Then we have mind, body, and soul. And then we have weight, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, steps, exercise, and then water intake, and then your sleep. So how many hours and the quality. And then we have a space for gratitude and notes. And then we have month, and then you can track your sleep. So it says day 1 to 31, and then PM, AM, and the quality. And then it says I am capable, and then we do it all over again. So let's see what else the other one says. I am powerful. So very neutral. We can just pop these in whenever we need them. Oh yeah, I love these. And then we end with the sleep tracker. Okay, so that is everything that is included in the Jeans Agenda's February Deluxe Sub Box. So we have the inserts. We have a few of these dashboards. Right, double-sided. Then we have the cover here, and then more dashboards as well. And then we also received the little pen pouch here. Ooh, let's add this in. So we have the pen, and then we have our clips maybe, and then we have our little page finder. Oh yeah, that'll fit. It's nice and little, but yeah, we can really pack this in. And so there's that. And then we have the habit tracker. And then we have our journal here with the vegan leather in the dovetail gray. And then we have our journaling cards, and we have the corner pocket. So I'm amazed, as always, from everything that we received from the sub box. Everything is so pretty, and I can't wait to put these items to good use. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.